Alrighty, folks, welcome back. I am Geezer. This is Geezer Plays, and today we are continuing with Sons of the Forest. We found another looks like another maintenance tunnel. So we were going to go in here and see what this brings us. I don't know what this one is because the snow's in the way. You can wipe away mud, but not snow. Okay, no worries. And the snow just stays there. Okay, it's all good. Let's see how many rounds we have left. We have buckshot 19, 9mm 50, stun gun 34, slug. Okay. Let's go with bow and arrow for right now. Is there anything in here I'm missing? No. All right. Alrighty. Oh, what's in here? Ah! Oh, we found the revolver. Nice! Anything else in here? Let's get my flashlight out. I would not even have seen this room back here if it wasn't for me having a flashlight. What's in this bathroom here? Nothing. We have a drill. Looks like they have pretty good tools. I mean, it looks like they have Milwaukee tools, which is nice. Milwaukee tools are one of the best, if not the best. I'm a little biased because I use Milwaukee. Let's see what is down here. Okay, we can put the flashlight away. Just any batteries? No. I can't collect any more ink yet because or resin. I'm full on resin. Let's just eat this thing. And that's an ink pen floating in the air. All right. There's nothing else here. Am I missing something? Take that. On the handgun. Yeah, there's nothing else back there, so. No more rooms anywhere. Alright, well, this was a pretty quick maintenance tunnel. Alright. Flashlight away. Oh, L. Duh. Alright, well, let's just save this. So now we have the handgun. Another handgun. Which is nice. So, let's see where we're off to today. Oh, there's another. That's way over there. Let's go over to this. There's another couple more caves over there. Let's go over to this beacon over here. Pull out the bow. And we will see what's over here. Oh, water. I need water. Water, water, water. Oh, I can fill up my canteen too. We're going to do this. And then we're going to do this again. And we're going to do this over here. We're going to fill that up. I should have made a second one to see if I can keep a second one, but I'm not sure if that is available. Doesn't tell you how many you can keep of each item. That would be nice to tell you what the max limit is. Like in one corner have like a red number, which is your max limit, and then the other corner have how many you have. So you would know how many you can keep. How many? I got 59 millimeter ammo. Okay, cool. Still 19 buckshot and 34 of that. All right. I have the I have the stun gun. Aha. Nice. So this I will now put on 2. This will be put on 3. And what was 4? This is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 was the shovel, right? 8. Axe is 4, okay. So let's put this, that's 4, let's put this on 5. And this is 9, this is 0. Okay. Alright. There we go. Let's get that one. We're going over here. I'm gonna have. I'll tear down my houses. I'm gonna have little houses all over the island. All over the island. Ooh. Whoops. Hey. Stop being such a bad shot. You left you a pouch. Reload this bad boy. Alright. Let's get back over here to this beacon. See what's over here. Let's get the bow back out. And no, I'm not going up the mountain this time. I'm not doing it. And watch, this time I'll probably have to be on top of the mountain. It doesn't look like it. It looks like it's over this way. At the end of that road there. Oh, there's a camp. Get the handgun out. Is there anybody here? This looks like an abandoned camp. Oh, sorry, I had to sneeze. Let me turn my mic off for a second. Oh, what is this? Hang on a minute. Oh, form rope. What is over here? Huh. Is there anything? There's a couple tires, looks like. Or inner tubes or something. Yeah, they look like tires. Nothing in there. What are these things? Buoys, looks like. Okay, nothing here. Pitchfork. Can I grab the pitchfork? That'd be a cool little weapon now. That will be nice. Nope, can't grab it. Hopefully within the next update you could be able to grab the pitchfork. That will be sweet. Alright. Nothing on this. Can you hit that to blow it up? Nope. I don't want to stand there and blow it up anyway. This is the same. Did I just... Wait, was I just in this one? These are the exact same huts. It's way up here. I don't know. Alright. Doesn't look like anything is in here. There are 2 pitchforks, one in each little hut. Huh. Very cool. Very, very cool. So now let's... go down this way. That was a pretty nice little hut there. It'd be, hopefully they make that into a location where you can find stuff. That would be sweet. There's a couple pitchforks in there. That'd be nice to have one of them. I know this episode I said that we would be building our base, but no, not yet. I'm still exploring. I still want to find the sword because that is a very fast weapon. And did I go the wrong way again? I just don't want to be stuck on top of the mountain and have to walk around. And is that... I don't want to have to... What is down this way? Okay, can I get down? Yes. Looks like I can. I can Skyrim down. Okay. Alrighty. Let us see what is over here. It's on the other side of these rocks. Oh my goodness. I'm full on tape finally. Fine. How much tape do you have before you're full? 100. Shoo-wee. I got 100 duct tape. All right. All righty. Let me... Yes. Yes, because I think, yeah, I'm probably going to die. Can I not? There we go. Nope. No. Why not? Oh, there we go. All right. And we are going to save. Save. There we go. Put the map away. Let's bring out the handgun. Let's reload it. Nope, doesn't need reloaded. All right. I have a key card. Oh, I got the wrong key card. Oh, dang it. I did that for nothing. Oh, well. I am going to keep that there for right now. All right. All right, let's see where else we can go today. There's another one over that way. Yeah, let's go over there. I want to walk. Let's go down the mountain a little bit. That one. Maybe? I don't know. Ooh, snow blindness. Yeah, let's take these down half. There we go. Maybe they'll be a little bit better for everybody. We'll turn it back up when it gets dark out. So I'm a little scaredy cat. I'm a little scaredy cat. All right. Well, we are on our way to that location. And when we get there, we'll be back. I don't think you guys want to watch me walk through the woods. If I come along anything interesting, I will let you guys see it. But until then, we will see you when we get to that location. All right, folks. Well, we are going to a cave instead of going to that other location. I figured might as well just go to a cave, see what we can get out of it here. And, here it is. Can I drink this water? I can hear it flowing, but I can't drink it. All right. So we're going to go in this cave, and before we go into this cave, let's set up another place to sleep. Let's clear some. Clear an area to. Maybe I can lay down flat somewhere. There we go. All right. Put up another house. I'm not here. Right here we can. All right. Let's put up a save point. There we go. Now let's go. Do I need to reload that? No. Let's go through here. Let's see what's in this cave. I've never been to this cave before. This is new to us. So we will see what's in here. Need my light. See, I wish we could drink the water that's in these caves, but I guess we. Oh, there's a little boat. It's over this way. Is there anything over this way? No, I can't. Can I even? I won't be able to dive there. No. Okay. All right. That's a little skull guy there. We should carry more rope. It would be nice. I have 4 of them here. 3 of them I can't pick up. That sucks. Is that it? Is that it for this cave? Oh, it can't be it. Oh, I can't swim. Looks like that's it. I'll pick up the skull. Yep. Is there any way to go up over? Huh. This was a bust. Oh well. I got some more cat food, I guess. Let's get out of here. Alright, so now let's whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, I'm not messing around. You drop anything? I don't see anything. What about these guys here? They drop any? And I didn't like that sound I heard when I exited that cave. Sound like some kind of beast. And he lost a leg. Let's reload this guy. Alright, let's go over to that beacon over here. Well, let's pick up my house before I do that. Let's pick this one up. There's nothing really over here. Can I get it? There we go. All right. Oh, you don't like that, huh? There we go. What is that noise? Oh, I have too many. Yeah, I'm just not messing around with those guys anymore. Nope. I'm getting a little better at the game. I'm not dying every 5 minutes, which is nice. Let's see. Aha. Another cave. Well, let's just go in here and see what this is. And watch, I didn't save it. I'm going to die immediately. This is going to suck. Where's my light? Aha! I found me another bunker. Okay, can I get out of this right now? No, I cannot. Uh-oh. Alright, well, if I die in here, I'm screwed. 'Cause my ass forgot to save. What's up here? Is there any... Let's put the light away, save my batteries. We can't go in there. What's up here? Nothing. I got the wrong key card. Okay. Well, how do I get out of here? Am I like freezing? Okay, yeah, I can get out of here. Okay. Alright. So I need another key card. I have a key card, but it didn't open up those two doors. Okay. Come on. Hush it. Woo-wee! Ah. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Can I get creepy armor off him? Yes. So don't attack me when I'm getting my armor, folks. Oh, shut up. Just leave me alone. Leave me alone for a minute. Alright, now let me get out of here. I don't like that noise. Let me get out of here. You guys can stay over there. I told you to stay over there. You didn't listen. You did not listen. What time of day is it? 1700, alright. I missed that squirrel. That was a waste of a shot. Oh, moose. Headshot. Hey, look at that. Let me some more skin. Or hide, I guess. Got that raw meat. Got all the raw meat off of it. That scared the living crap out of me. Anybody else coming? Let me get the heck out of here. I'm close to a road. I don't want to be on a road. Because the cannibals usually follow the road. So I just want to get out in the wild. Maybe build me a campfire. Got me another one. Oh, I have too much meat. Okay. So let me come over here. do this. How come I can't? Really? Really? There we go. What the heck? Alright. So let me sleep. Springtime. I thought it was supposed to be more gradual than that. Alright. Let's start a fire. I know I have rocks. I know for a fact I have rocks. Come on. There we go. Oh, Victoria, oh my God. You scared the living crap out of me. Whew. Alright. Protect me, Victoria. I'm going to be... Oh, no, no, no. Oh, come on. No, no, no. Why did I do that? Thank you. Come on. Raw meat. Raw meat. Raw meat. Raw meat. Raw meat. Alright. What's down over here? Nothing but a big ass cliff. Okay. Okay, I'm thirsty, so let's drink. Drink again. And we're going to save that. That does, oh, let's take. No. Eat that. What? Burnt meat, cooked meat. Okay. Burnt meat, I don't want that. Cooked meat, burnt, I have... I'm gonna have to eat it anyway. Alright. Yep. At least it's not rotten. Cooked. Alright. Cooked. And dried. Okay. Alright. Alright, so now, where do we want to go? Ooh! Alright. Where'd he go? Get your gun out, Victoria. Keep shooting. Where do we want to go? Alright. So we went there. We went there. There's nothing. Some more cave. There's a bunch of caves up there. Okay. Alrighty, well, we're going to find ourselves another cave. And when we do, We will be right back. If I find anything interesting, you will know. Alrighty, folks, we made it to this cave, but we've already been here. This is the ice cave where it leads to nowhere. And it looks like I've walked around a mountain. Because it looks like I'm walking in a big circle right now. So, I found a couple places where I need a key card. I don't have the correct key card. I know for a fact I've probably been over to this cave. Let's run over to this cave real quick. Let's see. Oh. What is up here? Alright. Oh, sleeping bag. Oh, it'd be nice if we can grab that. Nope. Nothing on him. Any place is there a dig site around here anywhere? No, I'm not seeing any shovel marks. Oh! Oh! Look what we have here! We have the hang glider. Oh, nice! Alright, so we have the hang glider. Let's put this away. And put that away. And we are going to... Can I pull my map out? Yes, I can. So where do we want to go? Where do we want to go? I don't know. That's the whole problem. Because I've been over... I'm pretty sure I had to have been over that cave. I know for a fact I was. If I've been to that one, I've been to that one. I've been to that one there. Let's see how this thing flies. How do you fly? Do you jump? Okay. Why does it keep falling off? Let's go over this way, see if we can jump off the mountain over there, but that'll just take us over there. What's... So we can't keep it in our inventory, I'm thinking. Nope, it just comes off. It just flies off. What am I doing wrong? Let's find a cliff to jump off of. There we go. No, no, no! Okay. All right, let's see. Let's see. Okay, so that's how you control it, okay. All right. No, I don't want to land. No, I don't want to land. I've already been to that cave. Yeah, because there's my house. What the hell happened? Ah! Yeah, I was already at this. Yeah, I was already here. There's my house. Huh. I don't know. Where is... Well, I lost my hang glider. Because I'm an idiot. Come on, see if I can get this thing back. There we go. All right, we'll just leave that little hut there. Where do I want to go? Where do I want to go? Don't tell me I couldn't have been all over the map yet. I could not have been. There's no way. There's no way I've been to every location. Absolutely not. I know for a fact I haven't. I don't know. I don't know where else to go. I'm gonna have to pull up a better map of this place. Yes, I know, Joe, that's cheating. I get it. But there's some users make some pretty good maps of this place. Nope, you can't fly here. Yeah, I'm just walking around with a hang glider on my back. Yeah, don't mind me. So... I don't know. I do not know. Should have left the hang glider up there at that one house. Alrighty. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just walking through the woods. Just walking through the woods. Alright, we're working our way back to the house. So we're going to end this one here in a few minutes. The storm looks so cool. Hopefully I don't fall and break a leg. Which way do we need to go? This way over here. Yeah, this storm is like, well, I have all the brightness turned down. When the lightning strikes, it lights up the screen. It's pretty cool. Hopefully you can see it before it ends. But yeah, so we are going to start. Oh, there's my little humble abode. And there is Calvin. Hey, what's up, Calvin? Let's see how many sticks you got. You fill up the holders. What's on that side? Holy crap, there's a huge river running through here. Looks like it anyway. I know it's dark. Let's see what he did. Oh, hey, look at him. They're all full. Imagine that. So, yeah, so we're home now, and I'm going to end this one here for tonight. Yeah, so, yes, next time I'm going to try and find some more locations. I'm going to download a map. I know, that's cheating. Yeah, whatever. But I, like, walked around the mountain, and I was hitting the same, I've been hitting the same locations 2 or 3 times. I found a key card. That key card doesn't work for any of the maintenance stores I found yet. So I'm going to have to find another door that card will work on. Yeah, so I would like to thank everybody for following along and listening to my banter. I greatly appreciate it. And I also appreciate those of you who like and subscribe. And helps out a lot more than you know. And for those of you who don't like and subscribe and just watch, that's awesome too. That's great. So until next time, peace.